Yeah, I can't wait to get to the go-karting. What happened to Ben?
Oh, I think he hit my branch. I think we need to call an ambulance.
Good idea.